Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Keep on watching to see how I created this beautiful look.
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back.
So I'm going to start off first by sharing with you the products that I'll be using in this video, and as always I will link these down below and list them down below for you guys, so if you are interested don't forget to check out the description box below. So I'm using Alien Girl, which is a premix glitter acrylic, Sour Apple, which is a duo marble acrylic, Pure Pink, which is one of our new cover powders. It is gorgeous. And I'll also be using the number 12 Rainbow Aqua brush, and also I think it was the detailer brush. Yeah, that went so quick there, I was trying to keep up with it, honestly. But yeah, I'll link everything down below, so if I didn't mention it, it will be in the description box. The hand that I'm using today is the curved right hand, and it is also available on my website, which again I'll link it down below, and you can use my code ninja5 for 5% off, and that also includes on the hands as well. So I've already applied my tips, which are the pre-pinched square nail tips. I've applied them to all of the nails using the instant nail glue, and then I'm just coming in and applying a clear base of acrylic, and this is just going to give us a nice smooth foundation to work on. And on your natural nails, this would just mean that you've given yourself the best kind of adhesion to the nail plate. So now that the clear base has set, I'm going to come in and I'm going to use Sour Apple. So as you can see, this is a two-toned powder. However, if you want a solid colour, you just work super wet with it. Make sure that you're using nice, soft, long strokes, and you will easily be able to blend that pigment together and get a nice solid colour. So for any of your colours from whatever brand you have, if they marble, just use them a little wetter and kind of blend that pigment on the nail. Just because some pigments are harder to work with than others, and it's all well and good saying, you know, just do this, do that. It kind of just doesn't work like that. Some you just cannot help, and if you want that exact colour, you just have to learn to work with that particular product slightly differently. It's only like using different paints as an artist. Not every single paint works the same, if that makes any sense. But as long as you can learn how to control your product, then the possibilities are absolutely endless, and you shouldn't struggle really with anything as far as application goes. So next on this nail, I'm using the same powder, and I'm going to be doing a marble edge on it. So the previous nail was a full colour nail, and then once I've added the marble onto the end of this nail, I'm going to go ahead and apply that Pure Pink cover powder and blend that down, just so it looks like this is kind of an ombre nail, but then it also has that marble tip as well, and I just thought it would be super cute. If you haven't already, please do go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and if you want to know when I upload my next video, hit the notification bell to be notified as soon as I upload. Okay, so some of you may know I had a secret giveaway, and the winner is Claire Child, so please email me. I'll leave my email in the description box, and we will sort out some goodies, and I will send you some beautiful winning. I also decided to choose a second winner, and that is Kate Parr. So again, please email me, and I can't wait to do another one. It was super fun, and I just love giving back to you guys, so I think these will be on the regular. I will keep them as like little secret giveaways just randomly here and there, so definitely keep a lookout. So I hadn't realised that I'd not pressed record, so this is just a solid colour of the Sour Apple on the tip, and then I'm coming in with the Pure Pink cover and blending down for a simple ombre nail, and then I'm going to come in with Alien Girl pre-mixed glitter acrylic powder, and I'm going to trail that on an angle across from one side of the nail to the other. I think this is just a super effective look, and it just really accentuates a nail design and really brings it to life and look like a little bit more intricate, and it's super easy to do as well. So moving back to the marble nail that I did on the tip, I just allowed that to set, and then I'm coming back in with the pure pink cover powder. I'm just applying a large bead towards that cuticle area, pushing it up, tucking it in, and then blending it and feathering it down the nail. Excuse me, I am ready for a cup of tea. Yeah, so I'm just blending it into that acrylic and making a nice simple ombre. And honestly, this pure pink cover, everyone is so excited for it. I am so excited for it. But it's so beautiful to work with and super easy to blend, and it's perfect for those ombre colours. Moving on to the thumbnail, I'm going to come in and do Sour Apple towards the free edge, and I'm going to blend this down so it's a nice solid colour. I just worked a bit slower there just so I can show you how it kind of drags down the nail and the pigments like disperses and blends nicely once you start working the product. I always like to scrape the edge of my brush as well, because then, you know, you're just getting all that excess product off. And then ensure obviously that between beads you are cleaning your bristles to ensure that no product is stuck in there. Yeah, so next I'm going to apply Alien Girl to the cuticle area. Honestly, this glitter mix is absolutely gorgeous, and it's not one that I would necessarily pick to wear myself, but like when you put it together in a cute set like this with the leopard print and the bright colours, like I would totally rock that. But initially I'm like, it's not kind of me, but it could be. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, I think I'm literally about that with anything. Anything that sparkles and glitters and that's cute and looks magical, I could literally rock anything. So yeah, I'm blending that down the nail, just feathering it and dispersing it out just so it looks like it kind of trails down to nothing from the glitter to the sour apple. And then I think the next job is to encapsulate all of the nails. So I'm coming in with Nailmate Crystal Clear Acrylic, and I'm just going to go ahead and encapsulate all of the nails, and this just makes sure that everything is nice and protected, that we have the correct structure, that everything is, you know, fantastic, fabulous, or ready to go, and so that when we file the nail into shape, we're not going to be affecting any of that glitter or the ombre that we've already previously laid down. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'll let you guys watch, and then I'll be back for the next step. I've filed and buffed off camera, and then I'm going to come in with my Nailmate Detailer brush. Now we are due these back in stock very soon, so if you are waiting on one, which I know a lot of you guys are, then please go ahead and sign up for the email alerts, so as soon as we add the stock you will be notified. So I'm just showing you here, it has two ends. They are super detailed and super fine, perfect for like delicate artworks. So I'm going to be using the Midnight Nailmate Gel Polish, and this is the black gel polish. It is super pigmented, so it's perfect for like line work, detailed painting, and just generally being fabulous. And I'm going to come in with the detail brush and just paint a freehand leopard print across the nail, just literally sweeping from one corner at the top down to the bottom, but like trailing across the nail. I thought that would be super cute, especially with the super bright colour of sour apple. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and once I'm happy with it, I'm going to cure in the lamp for 30 seconds, just a quick cure, and I'll do a full cure once I've done the second nail with this pattern. So once I am happy with it, as I said, I do come in and flash cure. So at the minute it's not cured, and I'm just sharing with you the mini lamp that we now have available on the website. And honestly, it is super cute, and it's perfect for flash curing those designs or the like character paintings, because obviously when you're working with gel paints, you want to be curing each step once you are happy with the placement of the pigment and everything like that. So being able to just pick up a little mini lamp and just quickly flick on the light with a button and just, you know, quickly freeze it in place and then move on to the next step is super handy. So I thought having a mini lamp would just be, I don't know, I guess perfect. So yeah, I'm just flash curing that into position, and then I'm moving on to the next nail. So now that I've finished painting and everything is fully cured, I'm coming in with Super Gloss No Wipe Top Coat, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply a nice layer over the entire set, curing the lamp for a full 60 seconds, apply some cuticle oil, and then share the final result with you guys. So I really hope you enjoy watching this top coating bit. You guys know it's my favourite part of any set. It literally just brings the glitter and the beautifulness to life. Like, look at that. It just literally looks so freaking gorgeous. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to let you finish off on watching me finish top coating these nails, and then I'll share some final results with you, and of course a nice little finishing shot. If you didn't already yet, then please do give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. As always, remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.